So today we received another mold setup and I am anxious to open it up. Let's see what we have. Oh, this one came in a big case. The last one came in a smaller case than this, and the tripod and everything else was separate. All right, let's see what it looks like. Here we go. So this is the Zefon Bio Pump, one of the better mold testing pumps out in the industry. And the other unit that we have is also a Zefon, so I wanted to get one that's exactly the same. These are the aerosol containers. This is the calibrating device. It comes with several tapes for sampling, the charger, and the tripod to put the bio pump on. And it should have an attachment that goes to the back here, which I don't see yet, but I'm sure it's here somewhere. So here it is, unpacked on the tripod. The unit itself is awesome because we have one of these already. I am very disappointed with the tripod. The last unit that we got had a different tripod, but I bought it from a different vendor. This has one of the rinkiest tripods I've seen in a while, and you can see it's a rinky plastic connector. It was very difficult to get it even on the unit itself, and then it does not go all the way down, so it's a little unleveled. Just poor quality. I'm going to end up having to get another tripod because of it, but I do need to see that. Hopefully I'll find a tripod that fits the case so that it continues to be usable all as one kit, as opposed to carrying the tripod separately like I do with one of our other setups right now. Overall, the packaging is nice. The service was great from this particular vendor, but again, the tripod, I could get something better on Temu than what they sent me.